Hello and welcome to our product demo of IBM ECM System Monitor version 5.5.11. ESM gives insight into the health of your business automation platform, monitoring both traditional and containerized BA components in one single point of control. Here you get detailed information about events, capacity metrics and performance metrics, including synthetic user checks, so you get a better understanding of your end user experience. You can group systems logically, for example by environment, depending on your needs. In configurable dashboards, events can be shown in aggregated areas and in detailed event lists. With the play button, you can activate rolling dashboards so they automatically rotate from one dashboard to the next within a configurable time frame. In my personal event console here, I have multiple dashboards. The overview dashboard shows my production and UAT environments. The heat map dashboard, a high-level view at a glance. And the production dashboard, detailed information about my final production systems. In this final dashboard, I can see application-specific metrics as well as platform-specific metrics. Examples for BA-specific metrics are object store performance, event queues, or process queue counts for my final systems. Or, for instance, the status of group queries and the document retrieval time for Content Manager on Demand. Here I also see the results from my synthetic user checks, showing me how long it takes to conduct a full text search and retrieve a document from FileNet or via Content Navigator. Monitoring the listener, which feeds the system dashboard, provides me real-time insight into performance and capacity metrics, such as how many documents have been loaded or how many ICN desktops have been started. As my BA applications heavily rely on the proper functioning of their middleware and infrastructure, I need to know their health status too. I may have no control over components like my WebC application server or the database, but I want to be alerted in case of changes in their behavior, because I get blamed when they affect the service quality of my BA applications. Metrics like JVM free memory, connection pools, heap size or database performance show me their health, so I can see what's coming at an early stage. When a warning or a critical threshold is reached, an alert will be shown. I can check the details of an event and acknowledge or close it, so my peers know that this incident is already being taken care of. The alerts can also be forwarded to your central event management console, for example to Instana and Watson AIOps, so that IT operations can respond to this incident immediately. No matter when the incident occurs, it won't go unnoticed. If performance or capacity metrics throw warning or critical events, I can check them in live charts, so I get a better understanding of the context of an event. The timeline can tell me if it's just a peak at the moment or the beginning of a trend which is not my friend. Comparing multiple parameters helps me understanding correlations or anomalies. Depending on the event, a predefined task can be started by the administrator ad hoc or even automatically by the event itself, so the issue can be fixed very quickly. Examples are tasks to restart a component that has failed or to collect troubleshooting information like here. In the evaluation table, I define when the warning or critical alert will be issued, depending on the thresholds I want to use. The frequency in which a metric is checked depends on its criticality. The more important or dynamic a parameter is, the more frequently I will check it. In this configuration console, I also have access to the knowledge base, the task automation and the reporting tool. With version 5.5.11, ESM also comes with a new operating dashboard. This dashboard provides multiple perspectives on the systems monitored. I can analyze the events and metrics collected from different points of view, understand them in the context of dependencies, and easily drill down into details. Filters help me to reduce the noise and get to the root cause much faster. When I select the system element in the navigation bar, the sidebar shows me a tree view of all my systems and their associated subsystems. I can see the overall worst severity and the worst severity of these various subsystems. In the dashboard next to the system tree, I see the overview with the current incidents with severity warning or higher. Here again, I can filter for multiple criteria, for example by system type, system or agent. Tags enable me to group information logically and make filtering faster and more intuitive. When I select the tab Situations, I can see all situations at a glance. Selecting one of the situations shows me the timeline with the samples of this particular situation. When I select an individual system in the tree on the left, I get detailed information about this system and its current incidents. Clicking on one of the incidents again shows the details of this incident. But I cannot only see my systems and related probes and incidents from the system perspective, but also from the agent perspective, the probes perspective, or the situations perspective. Depending on my selection in the navigation bar, I can view my event information from different angles. When I select a situation in the situations perspective, a view with detailed information about this situation and its related evaluation criteria is shown. This flexibility enables me to choose the design that works best for my administrators and operators. I can provide them with the relevant information and filter out the noise, so they can pinpoint problems faster and be more proactive. IBM ECM System Monitor gives administrators deep insight into their business automation platform, including the middleware components which might not be under their control, and a better understanding of their end-user experience. They get relieved from mundane manual checks, become proactive and more productive, so they can focus on higher value work in the digital transformation. And ESM helps them to stop the blame game, making their life easier and reducing the mean time to not my problem. But how do I get there? Talk to us and we will find a solution approach that fits your needs. Thank you.